Slow cooker. The Hawkins CB30 hard anodized pressure cooker is a stand choice for anyone. The Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker stands out as a reliable and efficient kitchen essential for those who appreciate the art of slow cooking. Constructed from durable stainless steel with a stoneware insert, this model exudes a balance of style and functionality, making it an attractive addition to any kitchen decor. With a substantial capacity of 7 quarts, it is ideal for families or gatherings, allowing you to prepare hearty meals in one go. The dimensions of 16.9 inches deep, 11.8 inches wide, and 10.4 inches high ensure it fits comfortably on most countertops without taking up excessive space. Weighing in at 12.6 pounds, it is manageable to move, yet robust enough to withstand regular use. Operating at 210 watts and designed for standard 120 volts, the slow cooker offers 3 distinct heat settings: low, high, and keep warm, providing versatility to accommodate various recipes and cooking times. The manual control method allows for straightforward operation, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned cooks alike.